Okay, that also shows that how we are getting older and the newer generation is coming up. Having said that, I thank all of you that you have come here on a short notice. This meeting that is being done is done because we want to show through statistics how the developmental programs in the state can be monitored, how the developmental programs can then be looked into in a different light, and certain studies that can be done from our end. If you people are interested, you can write to us, we will do it for you. Okay, so like consumer price index, district domestic product, growth, which is there in different market areas, small urban cities, urban areas. These are very simple things that we can actually do it for you.